Hi there. Welcome to another session of Getting Started with AccelGrid. In this video, we'll explore the CRM module and see how you can leverage it to manage opportunities and close deals faster. Let's go into the CRM module and look at the pipeline. You'll notice that the default filter displays only the opportunities assigned to you. You can, however, remove the default filter to view all opportunities. The pipeline view is organized as cards under various stages. You can customize the stages to mirror your sales cycle by editing existing stages and creating new ones. It also allows you to sequence the stages by dragging and dropping the column. Let's go ahead and create a new opportunity by clicking on the Create button. If the opportunity is to sell to an existing customer, search for the contact and select it. You'll notice that the phone and email address fields are automatically filled if the information is available in the contact's record. If this is an opportunity for a new customer, leave the contact field empty and fill in the other fields. If you need to enter additional information regarding the opportunity, simply click on the Edit button. The opportunity form contains fields for storing additional information about the opportunity. From the opportunity form, you can create new quotations for the opportunity and view existing ones. You can also use the messaging functionality discussed in a previous video to send messages, log notes, and activities. Let's go back into the pipeline view and explore how you can use it to manage your opportunities more efficiently. As a salesperson, knowing the next steps for each opportunity is essential. AccelGrid lets you filter your pipeline based on the due date of activities. Red is overdue, green is future, and yellow is due today. You can update the status of activities right from the pipeline view by clicking on the clock icon. To move an opportunity from one stage to another, simply drag and drop it. Once an opportunity reaches the end of your sales cycle, make sure to mark it as done or lost, depending on the case. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.